Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the preparation, properties and uses of phosphorus pentachloride from second chapter P block elements 2. First let us see the preparation of phosphorus pentachloride. When phosphorus trichloride is treated with excess of chlorine, phosphorus pentachloride is obtained. Phosphorus trichloride formula is PCl3. Phosphorus represent P, tri represent 3, Cl. So that is phosphorus trichloride is treated with chlorine. We obtain phosphorus pentachloride. So here phosphorus one time, here also phosphorus one time, here chlorine 3 plus 2 5 times, so here also chlorine 5 times. And next one is chemical properties of phosphorus pentachloride. On heating phosphorus pentachloride, it decomposes into phosphorus trichloride and chlorine. Let us see the equation. Phosphorus pentachloride, that is present in gaseous state. So penta represent 5. So phosphorus pentachloride, when it is heated, it decomposes into phosphorus trichloride and chlorine. Phosphorus trichloride means TCl. Tri represent 3 times. So trichloride, this is also present in gaseous state, plus remaining chlorine is 2 times. So Cl 2 times. So this is also gaseous state. So here chlorine present in excess. And next one is phosphorus pentachloride PCl5 is treated with water molecule, that is H2O. It gives phosphoryl chloride. Already we know the formula for phosphoryl chloride, that is POCl3. So this is phosphoryl chloride. Here phosphorus here one time, here also phosphorus one time. And oxygen molecules here one time, here also oxygen molecules one time. Chlorine, here chlorine 5 times, here chlorine only 3 times. So remaining chlorine is 2 times. So plus 2 times of Cl. Okay. And another one also remaining, hydrogen. So hydrogen also here 2 times. So here 2 times of H. So phosphorus pentachloride plus water gives phosphoryl chloride plus hydrochloric acid. And next one, now you take phosphoryl chloride. Phosphoryl chloride formula is POCl3. Again, it is reacted with water molecules H2O. It gives orthophosphoric acid. Phosphorus acid means that formula is H3PO3. Orthophosphoric acid means the formula for orthophosphoric acid is H3PO4. Okay. So phosphoryl chloride is treated with water molecules. It gives orthophosphoric acid H3PO4 plus what is remaining here? HCl. So first balance the equation. Here phosphorus one time, here also phosphorus one time. Okay. But here oxygen 4 times, here oxygen 1 plus 1 2 times only. So we need 4 times of oxygen. So we put the number 3 here. Now oxygen molecules 3 plus 1 4 times. And next one hydrogen here 3 times. But here hydrogen 3 2s are 6. Here only 3. So remaining hydrogen is 3 times of hydrogen. And then chlorine. Here chlorine 3 times. So 3 times of HCl. So this is the second equation. The formation of orthophosphoric acid. Here the formation of phosphoryl chloride. Okay. Now overall reaction. Same compound present in opposite side means cancel the compound. So here POCl3, here also POCl3, phosphorus chloride. So cancel this two term. Okay. What is remaining? So add this two equation. Here PCl5 plus H2O plus 3 times of H2O, that is 4 times of H2O gives here H3PO4 plus here 3 plus 2 5 times, so 5 times of HCl. So this is the overall reaction. Okay, so here phosphorus 1 time, here phosphorus 1 time. Hydrogen here 4 2s are 8, here hydrogen 3 plus 5 8 times, and chlorine 5 times, here also chlorine 5 times, and oxygen molecules 4 times, here also oxygen molecule is 4 times. That's all the overall reaction. Phosphorus pentachloride reacts with metal to give metal chlorides. It also chlorinates organic compounds similar to phosphorus trichloride. Let us see the equation. Okay, first one, metal. Here I take silver. Silver is one of the metal. Okay. Metal is reacted with phosphorus pentachloride. It gives metal chlorides plus phosphorus trichloride. Okay. Here silver metal is reacted with phosphorus pentachloride. It gives silver chloride, that is metal chloride. So here silver chloride is formed. So silver chloride plus phosphorus trichloride, that is PCl3. What is remaining? Here phosphorus 1 time, chlorine here 5 times, but here chlorine 3 plus 1 2 times, 4 times only present here. So here 2 means 2 plus 3 5 times, here 5 times, but silver here only 1 time, so 2 times of silver. And next equation, here tin is treated with phosphorus pentachloride PCl5. It gives tin tetrachloride, that is SnCl4 plus phosphorus trichloride. Okay, how is balanced the equation? Here Sn 1 time, here also Sn 1 time. Phosphorus 1 time, here also phosphorus 1 time. But here chlorine is 5 times, but here chlorine 4 plus 3, that is 7 times. Okay. So now I take here 2 times of chlorine means here chlorine is 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 4, 10 times of chlorine. But here chlorine 5 times, so 2 times of PCl5. So 5 2s are 10. Chlorine is balanced. Okay, here phosphorus 2 times, so here also phosphorus 2 times. Oh, equations are balanced. And next equation is here ethyl alcohol is taken. Alcohol functional group is OH. Aldehyde means CHO. Carboxylic acid means COOH. And ketone means C double bond. So now I take alcohol functional groups, that is ethyl alcohol. So C2H5OH is reacted with phosphorus pentachloride PCl5. Gives ethyl chloride. So ethyl C2H5. From Cl5 I take only one chlorine, so ethyl chloride. So remaining chlorine is 4 times. Okay. Plus here OH, here Cl 4 times. Phosphorus chloride formula is POCl3. And next one phosphorus chloride is formed. So PO, here from Cl4 I take Cl 3 times. So POCl3 plus what is remaining? Here one hydrogen, here chlorine, then HCl. And next equation is, here COOH functional group is taken, that is C2H5. Instead of alcohol, I take carboxylic acid functional group, so COOH. It is also reacted with phosphorus pentachloride, so PCl5. It gives same thing, here C2H5Cl, here C2H5CO. It is sleeved like this, so C2H5CO, and here I take one Cl plus, so remaining Cl is 4 times. Okay, so one Cl I give to hydrogen, so plus HCl is formed, plus remaining is 3 times, so plus here P, here O, Cl3, phosphoryl chloride is formed. That's all for chemical properties. And next one, uses of phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride is a chlorinating agent and is useful for replacing hydroxyl groups by chlorine atom. So that's all for preparation, properties and uses of phosphorus pentachloride. Thank you, students.